Hi everyone, what's up mga bevs? So for today's vlog, what am I going to do is I'm gonna clean this kasi kung mapapanood niyo yung before vlog ko, ayun, obligadong linisin siya or else mapapenalty ka ng government. So just keep on watching lang and thank you so much. So yun na nga mga bebs, bali nandito ako. Bali eto yung lilinisin ko then yung mga snow ipo-blower lang natin siya. Bali I'll be using a lip blower kasi yung lip blower pwede siya pag regular snow, yung tipong hindi pa natatapakan or wala pang footstep. Kasi yun yung ano pa to kumbaga magaan pa or hindi pa siya mabigat or hindi pa siya solid ice. Kaya using a lip blower or snow blower which is they usually use in cleaning the snow. Ayun. Bali, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung lilinisin ko. Then later on, I'm gonna show you the machine that I'm going to use while cleaning this. Yun mga bebs. Bali, etong daanan na to, yan yung lilinisin natin. And then of course, yung daanan ng mga tao dun. Bali, umi-snow pa ng very light as you can see. Then ayun na yung mga neighbor, kapitbahay, ganyan na yung snow, sobrang lakas na. So ayun na nga mga bebs, I'm just gonna get the machine to clean it, then papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yun. So just keep on watching. Pala yung usually lip blower or kadalasan ginagamit pag tinatamad ka magwalis, you can also use this. And this is a rechargeable lip blower. Then may isa pang klase nito which is yung pang snow. Since it's a regular snow, you can actually use this lip blower. Bali, ayun lang. So let's go and clean it. Yung natin kung kaya na perfect. Sa akin may nanatakal siguro. Mga bebs, as you can see, meron pa ding mga puti-puti. Yan na nga yung bago kasi nag-snow dito is nagulan-ulan pa. So, dyan na tayo gagamit ng manual na shovel, which is this one. This is for the snow. So, just keep on watching and let's do it mga bebs. Kaya nalilisan natin yung daanan. Next naman natin is yung pinakadaanan ng mga tao. So, we're gonna start doing that at this part. So, there. So there you go mga bebs, bale ito, ayan. Na-shovel ko na to. And then, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na daanan ng mga tao na kailangan linisin to. Kasi just in case na may dumaan tapos na aksidente dun sa lugar mo, pwede ka ma-penalty ng government. And then, ito naman yung pinaka other way. Okay na yan, medyo dumikit na yung ibang yellow doon. Tapos, ayan o, yung ibang kapitbahay, naglilinis na din sila. And then, ito, tapos na. Tapos, ayun mga bebs, bali, thank you so much kasi nag-stick until the end of my vlog. So kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe na and click the bell button para ma-notify ka if ever na may new videos and upload ako, comment, like, and share na rin. We also have our Facebook page. It's gonna be Felice Tamayo's page. Follow, like, and share na rin. Meron din tayong TikTok, Felice Tamayo, IG, FF Tamayo. So I think that's it in cleaning the front house dito sa Canada, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. So thank you so much and God bless you all and see you on my next vlog.